Alright guys, Paul here again, how yous doing? Some way back for work there, I had a wee emergency call out, so I brought my plane with me since I'm up working near farms, and I'm going to try something a bit different. What I want to try and do is get my Mavic Air to follow my plane, which hopefully will take off from this bumpy surface, but we'll see how we go. Yeah, just to see a quick video to see if this works, more for my own curiosity, but let's go flying. I've never actually done this before, so I'll put the drone just over here. If I do get the plane going up well, I'm not planning to fly far, just kind of slow circles round, just to see if I can actually do this. I'm looking for, I don't know if you can see on the camera here, I've got different mode systems. So I've got active track. Let's look for what I'm looking at. I have to stand away from the plane just now, I think. There we go, draw around the plane. Max speed, say 40 mile an hour. So, in theory, that should be following onto the plane. Let's see if I can get this thing to take off. So we've got armed, hold the bind button for 3 seconds. Let's see. There we go, that's it engaged. I don't think it's tracked it at all there. I'll land the plane and we'll try and take off again. Hopefully I get a good land in. Oh, that landing was superb. Right. Cancel active track. So try and find the plane. So if we go, try to lock onto it again. Should have actually recorded the phone screen here, but right, let's try this again. Right, it's not taking off in that mud, so what I'll do is I'll stop the footage here, I'll bring the drone back and I'll try and take off back when I come over. So, beautiful landing too, but just a disaster with the drone not locking on. Maybe I had it up too high there, so. There we go, that's it locked in. Yeah, that's me almost over at the plane. A lot further than it looks. Should have tried to land it somewhere else, but just glad I got a literally perfect landing considering. So yeah, back off with this and one more try. Right, we're back at trying this again, so I'll get the drone a bit closer. See if we can focus in on it. Start recording, don't want to forget to do that. Active track. So it seems locked on now. So if I can get this plane up without it having a disaster, this could be okay. So There we go, I think that should be tracking now guys, so have I lost, have I went too far? Let's fly under the drone anyway. Right, I kind of panic landed it on the road there because I think I was a bit coming low and too fast toward the tree, but again, miracle, I landed it in one piece, so I'm either getting better at flying planes or I'm just really lucky today. But I have to wait for this plane to reset, and once that's done, we'll give this a last go. There we go. What I'll do is, if you ever got a drone, you don't really take off too close to a tree, just in case there's any issues. So, right, try this again. The issues being if you have to return to home or something, if you lose signal, you don't want it coming down on a tree. Although it has got sensors, not really worth the risk. Try maybe, if I'm going to fly straight out just so that the camera's got a chance to pick it up, I'll come back behind a touch. Yeah, it's right in the centre if you can see in the picture. So do functions, active track, top speed 40 mile an hour, go. So as long as I can get this plane off, same scenario, we should be okay. Hit the bind button for 3 seconds until the battery out. And you see the wings starting to move. It seems to track it, but not. It's not actually following it full on. So I don't know if I'm in the wrong setting or if you just can't do it. But what I'll probably do is I'll probably just have a wee shot of the plane now, and literally, if I've got any footage up that's came up at all of the plane, we'll put that up. But I think my plan isn't ideal. Should never have looked away there. I heard a tractor coming. I'm on a junction, so I kind of thought it was coming round there. But so I'm just going to fly it nice and slow, nothing crazy. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. A bit breezier than it actually looks as well, so literally no throttle there at all. We'll do a loop. I'll come back round. So I don't really want to be here too long. It's kind of want to get up the road, but nah, I thought that would have worked a lot better than how it did there. So I'll have to look into that in the drone and we'll see what we can do. Hopefully that's recording as well. Try to do this all yourself, really not easy. That drone too close to you guys there. Should have actually put it higher up and just flew around it, but like, it is what it is. But I mean, this Carbon Cub S, it's absolutely fantastic plane. I mean, I've had it for quite a while now. Literally no issues. It's just absolutely superb. Once I got used to the binding system, that was a wee bit, it's simple, but it's confusing when you first get the plane what actually you have to do. And yeah, I mean, ever since then it's just been great. I'll try and bring it a bit closer to us. Yeah, the nice slow pass. Hopefully you guys see that if this is still recording, because I can't actually check anything when I'm flying the plane. But you can see how slow you can actually take this past. I mean, it's as fast a plane as it can be. It doesn't take a lot to sort of get shift in. Caught a bit of wind there. It's like it's on the geofence there. It's like it took over control of itself. Yeah, it's telling me I've got control back again. See how it done that little wiggle? Don't know if that sun's really going to be negative to you for seeing that. I certainly can barely see the plane, but I'll have to really bring it down a lot lower now. Actually, it's the first time I've ever had anything with that geofence, so what I'll probably do is, I mean, that's been quite a bit of a flight now, so I don't want to push my luck too much, I'll bring it down. Probably over here. Oh, there we go, out of battery. I thought I had that flying too long, so yeah, I'll go collect that plane. At least I've seen proof that I can do a good landing. I'll go land this drone, but that was just literally too much to do at the one time. On a plus note, there'll be no damage to the plane because obviously it's just soft mud and it just kind of flipped over. So yeah, that's that. Right, I just thought, just before I put this away, obviously you've seen it flipping over there. Actually surprised with how much more breezy it is up that hill than it is even just standing where I am. I must be quite sheltered, so I think that's why the plane was struggling a bit at the end of the battery. But as you can see, there's no damage on it, absolutely in one piece. The only thing, it's a little bit of mud on the end there, the tail, but other than that it's absolutely fine. So I'll give this a go another day, because I'm sure I'm going to be able to get this to link up, but I thought I'd show you my first attempt at trying it anyway. So see you in the next one, bye.